वाचन लाग्यो रे बैरागी मन, अरे भागन लाग्यो रे बैरागी मन।
आज उनसे मिलना है हमें, आज उनसे मिलना है हमें। चलो उनके लिए कुछ लेते चले और उनको दुआएं देते चले। थोड़ी गुंजिया गुंजिया लेते चले, थोड़ी बर्फी बर्फी लेते चले। आज उनसे मिलना है हमें।
Hi everyone, today come along with me to the newly built house. These are children of our family members and they are just playing, doing their stuff, enjoying the childhood. Let me show you the newly built house. This is the newly house and it has been built by my elder brother just for the rental purpose. Yes, you are right. They are not going to shift here anymore and they are going to let it out on the rent, and I will show you one by one the mapping, you can say the layout of this house. I will show you one by one, and it has 4 story. This house has 4 story and every story has the same layout. This is the room. You can use it as a bedroom. If anybody is hired on the rent, they will use it as a bedroom. And this is the outer area, parking area. You can say a car can be parked easily. Now we are going upstairs and I will show you the second floor, and you can see that many things are scattered here and there. Actually it requires cleanliness, and which is going on every day. It will take some time to get it tidy almost. So we have come on the second floor. Again I will show you the layout of the second floor. So you can see that this is the room and this is the outer side room which is attached with the balcony, and this is washroom, wash basin, and this is bedroom. You can use it as a bedroom if you are hiring and residing here in future maybe. And I will show you the outer side. This is kitchen. Yeah, please see, this is the kitchen area, and this is another room. It is associated with the balcony, which I like the most thing, because the ventilation is there, air is there, and sunlight is also available here. That's why I like these things very much. And I'm standing on the railing. You can see that everywhere it is wet, because let me tell you, it was raining before some moments ago, and we enjoyed in the raindrops also, because it is very scorching in Delhi nowadays. And you can see downside. Now we are going on the third floor. Keep watching and please let me know in the comment section, do you like this kind of house or any improvement should be there? You can tell me in the feedback section or comment section. Now we have reached at the third floor. This is I will show you washroom. Someone is using. Let's come outside. And this is again kitchen, and one bedroom is associated with the kitchen. You can see, and this thing make it easy and convenient for you to use kitchen again and again. And here I will show you almirah, and it is attached to the wall. You can easily put so much amount of things here. And this is the another room outside. In between you can say that that was veranda, and it is the another room. It is again associated with the balcony, because as I already told you that every story has the same layout, there is no difference. And it is on the third floor. You can see how high we have come, and I like the height. Of course I like. Yes, when I used to be a NCC cadet, then I have done slithering camp. It was jumping from the helicopter and all. The person who belongs to NCC background, they can resonate with me. Yeah, now let me show you the fourth floor we are going. And it is little bit tiring climbing stairs, because I am not habitual of using so many stairs. And now you can see, yes, this is the part I like the most in this house, because you can enjoy your evening, morning and winter season sitting here, standing here, doing some enjoyment. And in this floor I think AC is also not required, because air and ventilation is proper on this floor. And this is kitchen area. Again, the one room, you can say bedroom, is attached with that kitchen. Yes, this is the another area, and it is bedroom. Now I will show you. Let me light on. Yes, this is the almirah. I am thinking that I should put these small children in the almirah, and no, just kidding. Yeah, I have come outside. This is the balcony area actually, and raindrops are there. That's why I am protecting my mobile from the raindrops. And it is drizzling kind of rain outside. You can see side area, front area, and I will show you the again side area, right side area. That is far away. You can see greenery. Let me show you again. Greenery, some fields are there, and this makes me very captivating, because I like the nature very much. And you can enjoy your evening tea, morning tea here. You can have fun with your friends, family members. At night also you can have fun. Please like and subscribe my channel. Bye bye.